Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Sorry I couldn't post on shorts because the video would get cut off. This is my sister Shreya.
Hi.
And then now we are making a video together to show you guys what we got from Dave & Buster's.
Okay, you can go first.
You can go first.
Oh, I can? Okay. So first, there's an arcade in our resort, and I used the claw machine, and I'm actually really good at claw machines, and I won this. Wait, not this. I won this Fall Guys thing, and I got this like snake at the visitor center that we went to. And then today when we went to Dave & Buster's, I did the claw machine, and I got three
Dinosaur seal
of
thingies.
these green neon seals. And because I have three, I'm going to give one to my brother.
Thank you so much.
And
Very
then
nice.
I did another claw machine at Dave & Buster's, and I got two of these alien
She's
things.
goated.
And because I got two, I'm going to give one to my brother again. And then with my tickets, I bought, like these three things. And I had like 1,400 something tickets. And I still have 400 left over, but with the tickets that I got in the first place, I got this like basketball thing that you hook onto your computer. You can play basketball like on your computer. It's like a web camera thing. Let me like open it and show you guys.
Ooh, we got a box opening.
So it's like this, like you like clip it onto like your
Camera.
the edge, like your webcam spot, and then you take the ball and then you just like play basketball.
Okay.
That's self-explanatory.
Is that
Wait,
it?
I have more stuff.
Okay.
So that's okay. I'll fix that later. No, I closed the box. And then the second thing is like this like rainbow bat. Like this
That's not a bat.
It is. It's like
Cover fish.
no, it's a bat. Look at the fangs. It's like it's a fluffy animal ball, and it's a bat. And here are the wings, and here are the fangs, and like the tail.
Since when do bats
That's a
turn
rainbow.
rainbows?
It's a rainbow, and it's like kind of bouncy. If you like bounce it on the ground, like it bounces.
I don't think that
Okay,
works.
and then it does. And then my final thing.
Oh, should we test it?
No, not right now. My final thing is like this. I already opened it, but I'm just gonna pretend like I didn't. It's like called like Party Bears, and it's like these bears, with like costumes on the back. And I like opened it, but I didn't see which one I got yet. So let's see which one I got. Okay, I'm not gonna look.
I don't know what you got because I'm not a girl, so I don't know this stuff.
What? It's not girl stuff.
Okay, it's
Okay.
a purple bear.
Okay, let me see. Oh, it's the narwhal bear. Wait, its face is smushed. Wait. Okay, it's the narwhal bear, and you can take them out of their costumes. So this is what it looks like outside of its costume.
And this is a deformed narwhal
Hey.
costume.
This is the narwhal costume. So yeah, that's what I got, and that's my brother.
Okay, so I got these two things from my generous sister. Alien stuff. Okay. And then, like how she got the rattlesnake from the visitor center we went to, I got this little ram thingy from the visitor
You
center.
can scoot if you want.
From the visitor center. It's fine.
It's fine. Okay.
Yeah, so I got the ram. I'm looking for my dad. Got the ram. Okay, and then from Dave & Buster's, shout out.
That's so cute.
I got the slap hand that I can use.
If we get more,
I'm not gonna unbox it right now because I have better stuff to unbox.
What is that?
Slap hand. I got this little clapper thing. I don't know what that is. And then the best thing I got was 1 second.
He's opening it right
I'm
now.
going to the bathroom, guys. I'll be back.
Are you actually? Or are you just opening it?
Oh, no, I'm not going to the bathroom. I'm a liar, guys. So I got these NFL packs. Yeah, I just opened. So I'm going to unbox them now and see what I get. I want the Brock Purdy or the Jalen Hurts. Don't act like I'm an Eagles fan. It was only the neon super rare one. I'm a Niners fan. Bang, bang, Niner gang. So on the first pack, speaking of the Eagles, we got Saquon Barkley, and Cardinals quarterback Kyler Murray. And on my second pack is with another quarterback, Panthers Bryce Young.
Well, wait,
Ow!
where's your other one? No, this is okay. While he's opening the other, look, this is a close up.
And the last one we have is Pittsburgh Steelers Russell Wilson, which is not on the Steelers anymore. He's on the Giants right now.
This is a close up of who? Who is this?
Kyler Murray.
This is a close up of Kyler Murray. This is
And that's it, gang.
This is Saquon Barkley. Did you get 2 Saquon Barkleys?
No.
This is who?
Ooh, that's Bryce Young.
Bryce Young.
Sorry, guys. My sister
And
doesn't
guys,
know the NFL.
look, if you look closely, it shows the last. Wait, it's not focusing. But okay, yeah, it's not really focusing. But if you look closely, it
says
shows
the last name.
it shows the last name of the players. Like it actually it's like printed on.
Yeah,
And-
that's actually kind of sick if you
But
think about it.
the logos for the Eagles, like there's no eyes on it or face.
What do you mean?
There's no eyes or face on the eagle.
Okay, that's the thing. My bad, guys. She doesn't know the NFL.
Anyways, but yeah.
So,
So this is like
yeah, that's it, basically.
quarterback pile.
I'm sorry to let you know, but Saquon Barkley is not a quarterback.
Or whatever that is.
Okay,
And
bye.
then wait, stop.
Never mind.
Get up. Show them the puzzle pieces that it came in.
Oh, yeah. It came in a puzzle piece where I need to solve something.
But you need to get like all of these.
Well, the
to
puzzle
solve
pieces
it.
are over there, but I'm too lazy to get them.
You
so.
need to solve all of. You need to buy all of the bags to solve the puzzle, and the puzzle's supposed to look like this.
The football field.
Yeah.
Can I have Kyler Murray?
So, yeah, that's all. Bye.
No.
Oh, never mind.
6-7.